after removing all parts from the box. Connect the front wall to the back wall using the tabs as shown. Removing the paper backing from the adhesive strip, connect the front and back wall using this strip. Standing the tent up, install the floor panel by inserting the tabs. Before closing the tent, insert the floor scratcher, then secure all floor tabs. Once more, remove the paper backing from the adhesive strip. Use the tabs to connect the walls and secure using the adhesive strip. All done.